Welcome to Money Chat, the place to get information on money, personal finance and budgeting.
The law of attraction offers some helpful solutions for making money. The law of attraction money is based on the belief that your thoughts affect reality, and what you give out in energy will return to you. It applies to anything you focus on, including money. With manifestation and the law of attraction, you can create financial abundance by focusing your thoughts on having more money and following actions that support this goal. The idea behind manifesting is that the universe provides opportunities tailored to your intentions. When it comes to manifesting money with the law of attraction, there are a few steps you can take. 1. Belief. Remind yourself daily that achieving wealth through the law of attraction is possible. Developing faith in your ability to make money is the first step. 2. Visualize. Create a vivid image of yourself having more money and living the life you want. Spend time daily visualizing yourself as a wealthy person with plenty of money coming into your life. 3. Take action. Once you have developed faith and visualized success, taking steps is essential to help you achieve financial abundance. It may mean setting up an additional source of income or expanding your current business model to increase profitability. By following these steps, you can manifest the law of attraction money for yourself and create financial abundance in your life. With some focus, effort, and belief in yourself, you can achieve your goals and live the life you want. Learn how to make more money. You will learn the laws of attraction money. Get all your desires and wants by understanding the laws of attraction to attract everything in your life, including cash. The law of attraction is all around us and can be a powerful tool to help us make more money. The law states that whatever you focus on and believe will become true. So if you want to attract money more efficiently, start thinking about increasing your income. Focus on the positive outcomes of making more money and feel the emotions associated with success. With the right mindset and attitude, utilizing the law of attraction solutions for money will help bring abundance into your life. Visualize yourself reaching financial goals and having wealth come into your life effortlessly. This visualization technique works best when combined with action. Take steps towards achieving those goals in real life by creating an adequate budget, setting money-making goals, or investing in a business. The law of attraction is that money is real and can be used to manifest your dreams. So start using the power of the law by changing your mindset and taking action. You will soon see how easily money comes into your life. Can I attract more money? We often want to be rich, but we must figure out what to do to achieve this. Everyone wants money, but they need to realize that we must follow the laws to make it happen. When you follow these laws, you will see how your life and career change. The law of attraction is one such law that can help you attract money. With this law, every thought you think has an energy associated with it. So when you send out positive thoughts about money, the law of attraction will bring more money into your life. You can do this by visualizing what you want to achieve financially or thinking positively about your goals. Another way to use the law of attraction for money is to focus on solutions rather than problems. When we direct our attention toward problem solving, we often miss the opportunity to discover innovative solutions that can lead us toward achieving our financial goals. You can access resources and ideas that might have been blocked before by shifting your focus from problems to solutions. Finally, use the law of attraction to create a plan of action. By having a clear and defined goal, you can better focus your conscious mind on how to make money. With this plan in place, you can start taking steps toward achieving your financial goals without getting sidetracked by external distractions. The law of attraction money solutions is an incredibly powerful tool. This can be used to attract financial success. By following these tips, you can create positive energy about yourself and your future, allowing for more abundance and prosperity in all areas of life. Do you want to make money and live your dream? If you do, then learn the secrets of attraction they don't teach in school. The law of attraction money is a powerful tool to help you manifest your financial desires. By understanding how the law of attraction works, you can create solutions for making money and building the life you've always wanted. The first step in using the law of attraction to make money is believing it will work for you. Visualize yourself as having enough money to live comfortably without worrying about bills or debt. Believe that anything is possible with diligence, hard work, and focused effort, including getting out of debt and creating abundance. Once you have an unwavering belief in yourself, start looking for concrete solutions to make more money and acquire the materials that bring joy into your life. Take some time to research different law of attraction solutions to create wealth. Look into side hustles and establish multiple income streams. Consider investing in stocks, real estate, a second job, or a business. Make sure your solutions fit your lifestyle, abilities, and interests. The law of attraction money is not just about getting rich, it's also about aligning with the energy that fuels all manifestation, love, joy, and happiness. Embody these positive vibrations as much as possible, and watch how life unfolds in front of you. You can make the law of attraction work with clear intentions and actionable steps to create abundant life. Research and learn the basics of how to use the secret. Once you understand the law of attraction and how it works, it will be easier for you to manifest money into your life. When applying the law of attraction to manifesting money, here are some tips that can help. 1. Visualize having more money. Visualize it as if you already have it. Then, imagine what you would do and what kind of life you could live with this extra money. Make sure to focus on positive emotions like joy, gratitude, and happiness when visualizing your new abundance. 2. Take action. Take steps towards manifesting money by researching opportunities, networking with others who have achieved success in their lives, and looking for ways to increase your income and create multiple streams. 3. Believe. Believe that you can manifest money into your life with the law of attraction and act as if it has already happened. 4. Release resistance. Release any beliefs, doubts, or worries associated with money attracting into your life by trusting yourself and the universe. Allow yourself to receive abundance in all aspects of your life. 5. Receive. Open up to receiving the money you desire by being grateful for what you have now and understanding that more will come to you in time if you focus on manifesting wealth into your life instead of focusing on a lack or scarcity mentality mindset. By using these steps consistently over time, you will start seeing results and the manifestation of the money you desire in your life. Don't forget to have faith, take action, and believe you can do it. Good luck with manifesting money into your life with the law of attraction. Have you ever heard of the law of attraction? It's a popular concept that claims that positive thinking can help create a reality that reflects your desires. This idea has been around for centuries, but it gained popularity in the last few decades with the advent of books and movies like The Secret. According to this law, whatever we focus on is attracted to our lives, even money. It may sound too good to be true. Yet, many people have successfully implemented the law of attraction into their daily lives regarding finances. By visualizing what they want, such as financial abundance, achieving those goals, and taking actions aligned with their intentions, people can start seeing results in their bank accounts. Creating your reality law of attraction is about shifting yourself into a mindset that focuses on what you want rather than what you don't have. It becomes a habit when you focus on the positive and stay in this frame of mind for an extended time. Then, you begin attracting more good things into your life, including money. And while there is no guarantee using the law of attraction will bring wealth or success overnight, it does help open up pathways to manifesting those desires in the future. Of course, taking steps towards achieving your goals is still essential to getting results. Still, with the law of attraction as your compass, you can create a reality that brings you closer to your desired outcomes. The law of attraction is a powerful tool that can help you use your thoughts and feelings to create the life of your dreams. Using this law, you can draw positive energy into your life, manifesting wealth and abundance in many forms. This concept may sound far-fetched at first, but when you understand how this works, it's easier to make it work for you, especially when it comes to manifesting money. Money manifestation is about understanding that there is an energy exchange between the universe and us. When we actively focus on attracting more money by visualizing our goal and taking action toward achieving it, we open up possibilities for attracting more financial resources, practicing gratitude and being conscious of what we already have. Create good energy that amplifies our efforts and brings more money into our lives. The law of attraction also works hand in hand with the law of creation, which recognizes that we have the power to create our reality. When we work towards creating a life of abundance, wealth, and prosperity for ourselves, it begins to manifest in unexpected ways. It could come in the form of additional income sources or an unforeseen job opportunity, all because you believed in its possibilities and put in the effort to make it happen. These laws can be a great way to experience true wealth and abundance. As you focus on your goals and maintain positive thoughts, you'll be able to attract many amazing things into your life, including money. So, don't be afraid to use the law of attraction to create the life you've always wanted. With some dedication and patience, you can turn your dreams into reality. The law of attraction is a powerful force that can help you get what you want. It works by understanding how our thoughts and feelings create physical reality. By focusing on positive affirmations and taking action toward your goals, you can use the law of attraction money manifestation to draw more wealth into your life. With this practice, it's essential to understand the energy exchange between us and the universe. When we put out good energy, such as being grateful for what we have, the universe will respond with more opportunities for abundance. It could manifest in additional income sources, unexpected job offers, or simply an increased feeling of joy from having everything we need. In addition to manifesting money, the law of attraction can be used to create any life you want. All it takes is some dedication and patience. So, if you're looking to make your reality and bring more abundance into your life, why not try the law of attraction? The possibilities are endless. Please hit the subscribe button below to get the latest from Money Chat.